Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear brothers and sisters. Welcome to Learn Islam, a journey to understand the beauty, peace, and purpose of our faith. In this first episode, we begin with the very foundation, the 5 pillars of Islam. These are not just acts of worship. They are the structure that holds our faith, our heart, and our connection with Allah. 1. Shahada, the declaration of faith. The first pillar is Shahada, the testimony of faith. It is the first step into Islam and the foundation of everything that follows. We say, Ashhadu an la ilaha illa Allah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. I bear witness that there is no God but Allah, and that Muhammad is the messenger of Allah. This declaration is not just words, it is a commitment of the heart. It reminds us that our lives, our choices, and our purpose are for Allah alone. A quiet moment by the courtyard. Salah, the prayer. The second pillar is Salah, the daily prayer. It is performed 5 times a day: Fajr, Dhuhr, Asr, Maghrib, and Isha. Prayer connects us directly with Allah, no matter where we are. It teaches us discipline, peace, and reflection. Every time we bow our heads in sujood, we are reminded that true greatness belongs only to Allah. Salah brings calm to the restless heart and light to the darkest days. Rain taps softly on the masjid window. 3. Zakat, charity. The third pillar is Zakat, the giving of charity. It means to purify your wealth by sharing it with those in need. Zakat is not a loss, it's a blessing. It reminds us that everything we own belongs to Allah, and true wealth lies in generosity. When we give, we heal hearts. When we care for others, Allah cares for us. 4. Sawm, fasting in Ramadan. The fourth pillar is Sawm, fasting during the month of Ramadan. From sunrise to sunset, Muslims abstain from food and drink, not just to feel hunger, but to strengthen their soul. Fasting teaches patience, gratitude, and self-control. It's a time of reflection, forgiveness, and mercy. As we break our fast, we remember the poor, we thank Allah, and we renew our faith. 5. Hajj, the pilgrimage to Makkah. The fifth pillar is Hajj, the pilgrimage to Makkah. It is an act of unity, love, and devotion. Muslims from all around the world, of every color, language, and culture, gather together for one purpose: to worship Allah. Dressed in simple white, all stand equal before their Creator. Hajj reminds us that this life is short, and the journey to Allah is eternal. Evening lights gently guide us forward. These 5 pillars form the heart of Islam. They guide our worship, our actions, and our purpose. They remind us that Islam is not just a religion, it is a way of life. Every prayer, every act of kindness, every word of truth brings us closer to Allah. Community shares a warm meal together. Light breaks through, bringing gentle hope. May Allah bless you with understanding, strengthen your faith, and allow you to live by these pillars every day. This is Learn Islam, Episode 1, The Pillars of Islam. Stay tuned for the next episode, where we'll explore the articles of faith, what every Muslim believes. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Join our growing ummah and strengthen your connection with Allah. Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.